Hello students, the topic we are going to discuss is temperature dependence of resistivity. So we know that resistivity is the ability to stop the electrons flow, that is to resist the flow of current in a device, right? So how this resistivity varies with respect to temperature is the topic here, and it is given that the resistivity is given by the symbol rho, right? So the resistivity is dependent on the temperature based on the formula given here. Rho T is resistivity at some temperature T, and rho 0 is resistivity at 0 temperature, and T and T naught are the temperatures at one particular value and temperature at initial temperature, which is T naught. Okay, alpha is called the temperature coefficient of resistivity. So when there is a change in the temperature from T naught, the difference in the temperature, see for example, if the temperature is initially 0 and if it is increasing till 10, then the difference 10 minus 0, that is 10 is the temperature difference, right? So this temperature difference is directly proportional to this resistivity. See, it is resistivity at temperature T and resistivity at temperature 0. Okay, so initially when you have some resistivity, say for example 5, and you have the temperature difference, now the temperature has been increased from 0 to 10, then this temperature difference has been increased to 10, then it would be 1 plus alpha is your coefficient, we have to find that, into 10. Okay, so if it is initially 5, the resistivity is initially 5, this would have been increased to this much value. Multiplying this with the temperature difference value, that much value would have been increased for the resistivity. And this resistivity value need not be increasing for all the case when the temperature increases. It depends upon the material. So we are going to discuss that. So this is the case for the conductors. As we know, the conductors, all the free electrons are already available in the conductors, and when the temperature increases, the collision between the free electrons increases, kinetic energy of the electron increases. As the collision increases, obviously the resistivity will increase. So the temperature dependence for the resistivity here for the conductors is directly proportional. That is, if the temperature increases, the resistivity also increases for the case of conductors. So here we have to find this temperature coefficient for the resistivity, that is for the conductors, that is this one, how much value will be differed for this case for the conductors. This is for the conductors. Okay, so to find this, I'm going to expand this equation. Rho T is equal to, multiply this rho naught inside, rho naught into 1, that is rho naught, plus rho naught into alpha into T minus T naught. So bring this rho naught to the other side. It is rho T minus rho naught is equal to rho alpha into T minus T naught. What we need only alpha. So bring all the things to the other side and have the alpha alone to one side. So rho T. So rho T minus rho naught as it is, and this alpha alone I want. Bring this rho naught and T minus T naught to the other side. As it is in multiplication here, if you bring it, it will be to division. So it is rho naught into T minus T naught, which is equal to alpha. So this is my temperature coefficient of resistivity. So the equation can be rewritten as alpha is equal to, this is rho T minus rho naught, isn't it? It is called the change in the resistivity. So change in resistivity can be given as del rho divided by rho naught as it is, and T minus T naught is nothing but change in temperature. So it is del T. So alpha is equal to del rho by rho naught into del T. So it is seen that how much ever temperature you change, that much of equivalent value, that is proportionality value of resistivity will be changed. So this is the relationship between the temperature and the resistivity. So this can be defined as, it is defined as the increase in the resistivity will be equal to per degree rise in the temperature. When you increase temperature to 1 degree Celsius also, that much equivalent value of resistivity will be changed. So if you increase this one also will increase. So it is increase in the resistivity, it is defined as, it is called the alpha, right? So it is temperature coefficient of resistivity is defined as the ratio of, if you have division you have to write it as ratio, right? So the ratio of increase in the resistivity per degree rise in temperature to its resistivity at temperature T naught. But if you increase in resistivity defined as the ratio of increase in resistivity per degree rise in temperature to the resistivity at 0 degree Celsius T naught. So this is the definition here. Temperature coefficient of resistivity alpha is defined as the ratio of increase in resistivity per degree rise in temperature to its resistivity at T naught. So this is the definition for coefficient of resistivity, temperature coefficient of resistivity. So we know that the resistivity and the resistance are the proportional terms here, and resistivity is also the resistance of for the flow of current, and resistance is also the resistivity for the flow of current, right? So this resistivity you can replace as resistance. For resistance the symbol is R. So this can be written as RT minus R naught divided by R naught into T minus T naught, which is simply change in the resistance divided by R naught into change in the temperature, or else 1 by R naught into change in resistance by change in temperature. This is with respect to the resistance value. Okay, and as I said, all these things are related to the conductors, because for the conductors, when the resistive temperature increases, the resistivity will also increase as the electrons collision increases. But for the semiconductors, when the temperature increases, the resistivity will decrease, because if the temperature increases, initially semiconductors all the electrons will not be in movement. So when you increase the temperature, the electrons cannot sustain the temperature and will start to move. So more of the electrons will be emitted from the atoms, then large number of electron movement will be there. So if it is large number of electron movement, it is called flow of electron has increased. That is, you have large number of current, then the resistivity is decreased. Resistivity is to stop the electrons, but here electrons is not getting stopped, it is moving faster. So here when you increase the temperature, the resistivity will decrease for the case of semiconductors. Okay, and you have a tabular column in your book for different temperature coefficient value for the semiconductors, and you can go through with that. So you have one kind of semiconductor component called thermistor. The thermistor stands for thermal plus resistor. Thermal is that temperature or heat. So the resistor value, the resistor capacitance will vary with respect to temperature or heat. So depending upon the temperature or heat you give on the thermistor, the resistor value will be obtained. Okay, so this thermistor is called the negative temperature coefficient of resistance. So the alpha would be the inverse of what happens for the semiconductor. Actually we saw that for the semiconductors, when you increase the temperature, the resistivity will decrease. For some kind of thermistors, when you increase the temperature, the resistivity will also increase. Such kind, that is the inverse thing, is called as negative temperature coefficient of resistance.